Hi, welcome back to the AI Read in Kotlin. Let's deep dive more in the functions. Let's start. Functions are powerful, but when you add default, named, and Vararg parameters, they become incredibly flexible too. In this video, we'll explore how these features help you write cleaner, more readable, and more customizable code, the Kotlin way. Default parameters. Default parameters let you assign default values to function arguments. If no value is passed, the default is used. Here is the example you can see now talking about the use case. When you want to make some parameters optional, you can use this way. Named parameters. Named parameters allow you to specify arguments by their parameter name, making your code easier to read and eliminating confusion in functions with many parameters. Here is the example you can see now talking about the use case. Great for readability, especially when passing values out of order or skipping defaults. Vararg parameters. The Vararg keyword allows you to pass a variable number of arguments to a function, perfect when you don't know how many values you'll receive. Here's the example you can see now talking about the Vararg parameter. Use case: passing a list of unknown length inputs, like user scores, product IDs, or log entries. Summary: use default parameters to provide fallback values. Use named parameters for clarity and flexibility. Use Vararg when accepting an unknown number of inputs. That's a wrap on Kotlin loops. These are essential tools in every Kotlin developer's toolkit. In the next video, we'll dive into Kotlin lambdas and higher order functions. Till then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated.